Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the transformer. Two coils on an iron core that change AC voltage. By the end of this video you'll know the formula and why transformers only work with AC. A transformer is a device that uses electromagnetic induction to change the voltage of an AC supply. Two coils on a shared soft iron core. The primary coil carries the input AC. The changing magnetic field in the core induces a voltage in the secondary coil. Three things. 1. Voltage ratio equals turns ratio. So voltage on the secondary over voltage on the primary is the number of turns on the secondary over the number of turns on the primary. 2. Step up. More turns on the secondary. Higher output voltage. Step down. Fewer turns, lower output voltage. 3. For a 100% efficient transformer, power is conserved. Voltage on the primary times current on the primary equals voltage on the secondary times current on the secondary. Step up voltage to step down current. Common slip using DC with a transformer doesn't work. DC produces a constant flux. No change, no induced voltage. Only AC produces the changing flux needed for transformer action. Quick example. Primary 100 turns, secondary 2500 turns. Input 230 volts AC. Output equals 230 times 2500 over 100 equals 5750 volts. So the voltage has been stepped up 25 times. Current would step down by the same factor. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.